Let's recreate this hijab style. Usually I don't wear an undercap with this style because this hijab is non-slip, fully opaque, very stretchy, takes the shape of my face. You don't need an undercap when you use this hijab and this hijab style. But for the demonstration purposes, I'm wearing one. You need a very short, teeny tiny side and a super long side. You place it over your head and you frame it around your face. I prefer to use hijab magnets, but you can use any other pins that you like. I pin it under my chin, like so. Here we go. It's very comfortable, it's not too tight, and the fact that this hijab is very stretchy, it just sits very comfortably. I take this tiny, teeny piece of hijab and just tuck it inside. Then I straighten it out. Look how gorgeous this color is. Oh, I love it. I love it. We take the long side and we wrap it around our head and just a little bit towards the back here. And then bring it all over. So now I'm going to pin the hijab here, but before I do, I'm gonna do a little fold right here just to make it look very neat and tidy. To pin it, I put one part of the hijab magnet underneath and the other part of the hijab magnet goes under here. And then I find the other body and we pin this fabric in place. Now all we need to do is fix up this bit, and because of the top that I'm wearing, I want to tuck it in so I can show off the collar. So I'm going to tuck it in and make sure it's looks very good, and then I'm just going to let this long side kind of drape. It's very flowy. I really love this style, and this is the final result. This hijab style is great to style with hoodies, with high collars, something that, you know, it stays out of the way, has only one single layer of fabric over your neck, which makes it very breathable. This way you can style a jersey hijab and look a little bit more put together, because let's be honest, jerseys look very casual. Let me know what other hijab styles you want me to try in the comments.